Hello YouTube and welcome to our Nokia Lumia 800 review. We are here now in the lock screen, and to unlock it you just switch up, and there we are. There we are on the Microsoft Metro user interface world. You notice these are little squares and rectangles. These are your apps, and it combines a little bit of both worlds, apps and widgets. They change a little bit. So let's start. First, how do you customize it? It's no different from other systems. You just push it and then you put it in the place where you want it. I like it that the app you are moving is in the front and all the other apps are in the background. So let's put it here and you go there. No. So you have just one home screen, you can't switch left, and on the right side you find all the apps you don't have on your home screen. So you just want to put this info app on the home screen, and there you go. It always puts them at the end. And of course, to get rid of them again, you just hold them and hit the X and it's gone. So that's it. Let's check out the camera. We have an extra camera app for that. You hit it and the camera starts. You can switch to video and back. You don't have multi-touch zoom in and out. No, you have to hit the buttons here to zoom in and out. It's okay, but it's not great. And now we are coming to the part I don't like about the camera app. You hit the place you want to take a picture of to get it sharp, and it makes it sharp and directly takes a picture of it. I don't like it. And the same with the camera button. You hit it and it already makes a picture. The camera button is nice too. You're in the home screen or where else and you hit it, and it will directly start the camera app and you can take your picture. So let's see our pictures. They are in the gallery. Where is it? There it is, gallery. And so what can we do with it? We have a menu button. It's always shown by these three little dots. We hit it and we can send it via SMS, Google Mail, or what else mail you have configured, and we can send it to SkyDrive. It's the Microsoft cloud. We can use it at background. We can create an album. We can optimize it, but you don't have much options in the optimizing process. It's just the magic wand. Let's hit the home button again. Oh yes, I didn't explain you the three buttons here. Okay, they are not really buttons, they are capacitive buttons, so no physical button to push. We got back, so we always get one step back. We got our Windows button here, it's a home button, and it doesn't matter where we are, it always brings us home. And we got our search button and we hit it and it automatically starts the Bing internet search. We can type in what we are searching. It has three other functions here. It's like Shazam. You hear a song that's playing and it tries to figure out which song it is. It doesn't work well. Maybe in 1 out of 10 it finds the right song. Then we have a QR scanner, or we can scan books or CDs, DVDs, and it will try to give us a result. And the last button is a voice search. Let's try it out. Adidas. So it understood Adidas. Adidas, it is called here in Germany. I know most people in the world call it Adidas. And it already makes a Bing search. So like hits the Wikipedia page or what you like. And again, we got our menu buttons here, our three little dots, and we can see our music history, and we can see our settings, and we can delete our history. So that's it. So next, let's hit the internet. Of course, Microsoft integrated the Internet Explorer as a browser. And let's type in our address. You notice the address is on the button, not on the top, and like in iOS or Android devices. So let's hit nytimes.com, and there we go. In my experience, it's a good browser. It's fast and it's smooth. Zooming in and out is great. Scrolling is great too. Double tapping for zooming in, it works absolutely fine. The writing is okay, not as good as on an iPhone, but it's definitely fun to read on this device. So no problems here. What about maps? Nokia has its own map material. It's called Nokia Maps. It looks a little bit different than the Google Maps, but it works the same way. Not many differences, but many similarities. We can search for places near us, like restaurants or shops. That works great. We can let us give directions. And let's give us directions, and there we go. We can choose between walking, driving with our car, and if you're in a region where you have a good transportation system, you can choose this as well. But what about routes? Nokia comes here with an own app. It's called Nokia Navigation, and it works the same way like Google Navigate. So you don't have to buy an extra navigation app for that. What about music and videos? No problems here. You notice the Zune sign. It works. Yeah, it works normal, like the other phones. With one difference, we got an actually radio built in. But you need the headphones for an antenna. I think this is a great idea so that you don't waste any of your precious data package for normal radio usage. We got our Xbox Live integration here. It shows us our games, it shows us our Xbox Live profiles, and. This works great too. One thing I don't like about the phone or the OS is the Windows Marketplace. It doesn't give you a really good overview about all the apps. It's hard to find things. Of course, you can do a search, but it doesn't show you the top charts of free things or games and pay. So it doesn't make this difference between free apps and apps you have to pay for. It's really hard to find something. And of course, the prices is not really great. This is we have here a little audio book. This is a famous series here in Germany. On iOS or Android or Amazon, you just pay $5 for it, and Microsoft wants you to pay $9 for it. That's not really nice here. No preview here too, so this definitely isn't nice. Let's hit games, and there you see the problem. You hit a game like here Splinter Cell, and it doesn't make a difference in the overview if it's free or not. You have to go into the app or in the app description, and then you can see, is there a demo version of it or not, or can I just buy it? So let's hit trying, and now it starts to download the app. It then opens the Xbox app for games and will it download here. But there's the next thing I don't like about the Windows phone system. If I hit the home button, and now I can't see anywhere if it's downloading or not. I just see my antenna strengths, the network, Wi-Fi, battery status, but I won't get any notice if the app is already downloaded or not. I just have to wait and I have to check the market again and again and again. And there I see in the market one download is active. I hit it and it's still downloading. But hey, what about Office? I mean, it's a Windows phone. They have to integrate Office. I mean, Office rules the world. At least 90% of all machines out there, of all desktop PCs use Office. And of course, we have here our Office app. We hit it and there it is. And the great thing is, if you use Office in the cloud or this free Office 365, you can sync your Office documents via the internet, via 3G, and if you make a change here in your Excel or in your Word document, it will already be made on your Office at your desktop PC. Don't get me wrong, I really like Google Docs and Apple's Pages and Numbers, but if you really have to work with it, there's no way around Microsoft here. And the problem is not everything is compatible with each other, but on a Windows phone and your Office system at home or at work, it will run smoothly and all the changes will be everywhere. I think this will also be a big plus for all the companies out there. Now you get a really good Office integration on your smartphone and it just works. I think that's it. No. So let's hit what else? Yeah, we got our calendar app. No problems here. Just hit the date, put something in, and that's it. And you are done. And now you see it in the calendar app or widget on the front. But now another disadvantage in your app widget and your home screen, you just see the next appointment, but I would like to see the next 3 or 4 or 5 appointments here. There's enough space. I don't know why Microsoft doesn't do this. You can see that I now take our test 3 appointment and delete it, and we go back to the home screen, and now we got our test 3 appointment here. This is something Microsoft has to improve. What about, you think now you're using Google Mail? No problems here. You can also sync all your Google calendars with Microsoft, and of course you can sync your Google Mail with it, and even your contacts. No problems here. I like the phone really much. It feels good in your hand. I like the material, I like the screen. The hardware is great. With Microsoft's Metro user interface, you have to get used to it, but it's a good system, I think. Okay, there's a lot of rooms for improvements, but hey, iOS and Android, they weren't perfect at the start either. So I think Microsoft, and I wish Microsoft that they become the third big player in the market, because we need the competition here. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to thumbs up if you liked me. Tell your friends, tell your grandma about this video. She has to watch it too. It doesn't matter if she just got an iPad. No, she has to watch this video about me reviewing the Nokia Lumia 800. Thanks for watching and bye.